Koto, everybody, good morning. Shalom, shalom. Koto, Momoache. Yeah, we're here back in our village. Ohiaba, we're gonna go to the other side of where we clearing the land. So we're going on the other side to show you where we're gonna have the road. We're gonna make the road go through. So we'll give y'all the front side of it and stuff. We've been giving you the back side. I'm gonna do a little aerial view shot as well. So everybody getting ready and prepared for us to go over there, check out the measurement, see what's going on, see what crops are on the roadside that we got to clear. All right, family. I'll meet y'all over there. All right, people. We just got through with our meeting. All right. Heading on over to the road now, check everything out, see what's going on over here. Do our measurement. We'll have the road go from one end of the village to the other one. We're gonna get this thing going. Yeah, to make it easier. Instead of have to ride all the way around, you'll be able to cut through, come through the village and everything. So we're connecting old Ohiaba with new Ohiaba. We'll be one big happy family. Growing together like the fertile ground that produces all the good trees and veggies and fruits. Man, where yours? Your cutlass. Oh, them the one? Oh. So we got all the elders of the village coming, walking down, getting ready to go down here, y'all. Just came out of our little meeting to get it going. Oh, thought I hit it. Ah, moye.
When he speak to you, say somebody said, "Oh, hey, wow." Fast. Oh yeah. What's that? Yeah. That's a bit cool.
She tried to speak to you. Yeah, ignore her. Y'all told building that?
Yeah.
So y'all see, just like the front side, where you see that over there. Watch it.
Yeah, I know.
All right. Beautiful day. Had a little sprinkle this morning. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Village life is the best life. And what even must make it more better is when you're serving your hula. Yeah, this right here, a lot of people say Jamaica, but for those that been to the Bahamas, it remind me of the Bahamas. Where my people's from, especially being back in their village, it remind me every bit of the Bahamas and back here. So I'm learning the shortcuts, y'all. This is the first time I took this path. Gotta be careful when you're walking through the path. Got the mini coconut tree right there. What's that, Kwame? Back there. Oh, somebody's house?
Yeah.
Oh. House back off in the cut.
This road is short.
Huh?
This road is short.
Yeah.
See.
Somebody stay right here for me?
No.
No?
It's not finished.
Got a nice plot. Got a nice lot here. That's Carpenter house right there, right?
Yeah.
All the beautiful coconut trees. Going up here, we're gonna really have to cut the road. Yeah, definitely gonna have to do something with this road.
Yeah, you say?
I say definitely gonna have to do something with this road.
Yeah.
We'll have to get it compact filled up.
And then when the machine comes to study, we can fill it.
Yeah, we need to fill in with the stones in it.
Yeah.
Hello.
Get them over there farming early in the morning.
This is information boy.
Who? Oh, Momo Ache. Moye. What do you say?
He said whenever you start, you come to work.
Okay, okay. That's his wife?
No.
Oh. Well, they just farming.
Yeah. The lady is older than boy.
No. That's the rest of them back there. Oh, turn around, let me. We got the rest of them coming. The elders of the village. So we're gonna make it where we get this road going. Instead of having to ride all around, you cut right through here. Got the sun up there peeking out
Yeah.
on a cloudy, rainy day. Beautiful palm. Otto, come, Otto. Pitch in. Help us get this road paid. This is auto work going on over here. So we just so with this that we're gonna extend the bridge going that way. The road will be going that way and it'll be going straight all the way down. So that's how we got to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and take some aerial shots and view as well. So. Wow, you got a lot of palm trees on this roadway. Oh wow, cool. Got another nice path that way too. They got two paths.
Hello.
They got a lot of palm trees back here. I wonder, do they make the palm wine out of these too, or are they too old?
No, they can make
They can still make it. See, they got the baby palms over here. Cutting away, make a path so they can do some measurements.
What's it? Okay, I am a pachama by.
So I'll be back. Yeah, chopping away, looking for the pillar as they do the measurements for the road. It's coming together, y'all. It's coming together. So that's why I say I advise everybody get in on the ground. Always good to come in from on the ground floor. Yeah. Ohiaba, new Ohiaba. It's gonna, with the help of Yahuwah and his set of our people, it's gonna be a beautiful thing.
Hello, what's happening? When I don't make 30, more not quite. No, but can't go for
The more trend, the more or can cook my
49.
40.
Now, what we move to Abia into your bottom. I can't be an argument over the baby, so what can I talk
What I don't know, if you young Cassa.
what can know your point?
Yeah, very careful. You make now.
Oh, you okay, man? 30, okay.
Amen. I want to take
Ohiaba, 1, 2, there.
I want to care from Potima, I want to get them.
You do what is the Omra. This is baby.
For the meal. Offer the meal. So offer the meal.
Zoom over there. You can see the work Otto is doing over there with his construction company. It's a great adventure. Two construction companies that will meet up together. So Otto, let your people know you need them to pitch in on this road over here. Stand by. Solomon. Yeah, Solomon, master electrician. His brother passed a week ago and stuff. So we had a 1 week celebration next week. So y'all keep him and his family in prayer. He's his oldest brother. So giving y'all that view from the ground, and we'll be doing the drone next.
Yeah.
That's what we call boots on the ground. Boots on the ground. Get them boots on the ground.
You can't let it be a problem. Those who cried,
All right, so I gave y'all enough of that. So after this, it'll be drone shot. All right, y'all. Shalom, shalom.